The Maruti Suzuki Baleno is now coming with a major update. The new Baleno Facelift is expected to launch in India on 5th September. And this time, the changes will not be limited to the design. It could get a new 1.2-liter Z-series engine, CNG with automatic ADAS and several premium features. So let's find out what exactly is changing with the new Baleno Facelift. But first, if you enjoy updates on upcoming cars, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to Bolo Hello Cars. This is Naveen Arya, your host and your host. Let's start with the exterior. At the front, the new Baleno Facelift is expected to get a redesigned front grille and new sportier bumper. The LED elements inside the headlights could also get an updated design, giving the front a sharper and more modern appearance. From the side, the overall silhouette and proportions of the Baleno are expected to remain largely unchanged, but the biggest update here could be the new 16-inch alloy wheels. A few new exterior colors options are also expected. At the rear, major design changes are not expected. However, the LED layout inside the tail lights could be updated, while subtle changes to the bumper would give the rear a fresh look. Overall, Maruti is expected to remain the original Baleno design while giving it more modern and premium appearance. Now let's move inside the cabin, where we could see some major updates. First, there could be a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, replacing the current 9.1-inch unit. It is expected to support wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The new Baleno could also get ventilated front seats for the first time. Some reports also suggest the possibilities of a single-pane electric sunroof there. Along with this, you could get a wireless charging, a new ambient lighting, and a new dual-tone interior theme. Exciting premium features like 360-degree camera and head-up display or HUD, you can say. We'll talk about the engine, but first, if you are finding these Baleno facelift updates interesting, so make sure to give this video a like. For more updates on new cars, facelift, and upcoming launches, don't forget to subscribe to Bolo Hello Cars. Okay, now let's come to the biggest update: the engine and safety. So the biggest mechanical change in the Baleno facelift could be its engine, right? The exciting 4-cylinder K-series engine is expected to be replaced by the 1.2-liter 3-cylinder Z-series petrol engine from the Swift and Desire. But what's even more interesting is the transmission lineup. Maruti could introduce a 5-speed automatic with factory-fitted CNG for the first time. This means CNG buyers may no longer have to choose only a manual gearbox. Safety could also receive a major updates with the Baleno facelift. For the first time in the premium hatchback segment, it is expected to get level 1 ADAS feature. Yes, this could include features like a blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, and safe exit alert. Apart from this, features such as a 6-airbag, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and front parking sensors are also expected. Once launched, it will continue to compete mainly with the Hyundai i20 and Tata Altroz like premium hatchback. And now, if you want to know the exact price of this car, so simply type price in the comments below. You will get the price details there. And if you enjoyed this Baleno facelift updates, so make sure to like this video. For more upcoming cars, new launches, facelift, and latest automotive updates, so subscribe to Bolo Hello Cars and stay tuned. This is Naveen Arya, your host and your host. I'll see you in the next exciting car update.